Hi, I'm Megan Hughes. I am working with Niantic. We just opened our Niantic Lightship platform, starting with our AirDK. So we are here at AWE today, showing a little bit about what the AirDK is to our developer and our brand community. So what we have with the AirDK is the first part of our Lightship platform. What Lightship is it's the tools and the technology that Niantic built and uses in its own games. So Lightship represents the technology that powers games like Pokemon Go and Ingress and Pikmin Bloom that we just launched, and we're taking pieces of that platform and we're bringing it out to developers, because what we really want to do is inspire others to create games and movement and applications that get people exploring the world, discovering new places, and truly connecting with people. And so what we're starting with is a multiplayer capabilities in AR that allows you to have 4 to 5 people sharing and collaborating virtually through your application. Semantic understanding, where we can understand the grass, the sky, the ground, water, artificial ground, trees, and so that you can bring those elements into your application. And then also depth and meshing and mapping. And what those do is they allow you to see the space instantly through your camera, whether you have LiDAR on your phone or not, and instantly mesh it and create a map that allows for virtual objects to interact realistically. So what that means is physics, bouncing off of a tree or bouncing off of somebody's back, rolling underneath with occlusion, hiding behind something, because the phone instantly picks up the depth and complexities of that space so that your application can also interact with it as if those things are truly there in the world with you. So for developers and brands looking to use the AirDK, you can go to lightship.dev, and there you'll find our SDK. You can download it, join our community, and also get some inspiration from some of the partners and developers that we've been working with over the last year, because we have plenty of videos now and tutorials from those folks sharing what they're building with the AirDK. So what we created here today is just an application that will allow developers and brands to play with the product. This is what we've built ourselves using our technology. So I'm going to show you something where we just scan the space. This is the meshing and the depth capabilities, and we'll have a little snowball toss fight. So here is the space. Let's see if we can just, it hit 2 people. So what you're seeing here is the fact that the phone sees Erica, it sees the people walking, and it knows where to send that virtual object.
Okay, within this demo, you can try out 3 of the items.
So that's just meshing and mapping. The way we built this application was to just play around with it. You can do whatever you want with semantics, but this is just a visualization of what we mean by understanding the grass, the ground. So what I'm going to do right now is collect grass. But what your phone is doing is it's seeing that that's a person, that that's a wall, and so it knows that this is the grass. It knows that only here, and to not see the grass there. So then grass is collected. My next one is wood, so this is one we're going to demonstrate trees. So what we're going to do is show the difference between the wood tree and the other tree, and it also is going to pick up trees in the TV screen. So as you see right now, it's seeing the tree. So it'll know like where that is. And the next thing we're going to recognize is the sky. So since we're inside, we put the sky on some TV screens. So what our meshing does is it's like some meters away from the location right now. You see So what we're doing here is just showing you 3 examples of how our technology can recognize the space around you, and developers we encourage to do whatever they want with that. You can change the sky to its own color. Like we're working with Coachella about bringing a butterfly out, and the butterfly is going to see the building and see the sky. So there's a lot of different things you can unlock. Thank you so much for coming by.